If you want to remove a SIM card from a Realme GT 8 Pro, what you can do is you can take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray hole. We also need to use the eject tool or something similar so that we can put it into this SIM tray hole. So more or less it looks like this. Now once we put the SIM eject tool into the SIM tray hole, we just have to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray slightly pop out. Once that happens, you can use your fingernails and fingers in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Now in my case, actually my SIM card just dropped, so let me quickly put it back in to show you how to remove it. So if you have two SIM cards inserted, then it might be slightly more difficult to remove the SIM card from the SIM tray. But what you can try to do is you can use just a tiny bit of force in order to bend gently the SIM tray. There we go. In my case, it actually popped out from this side. So we can remove it just like this. Now, if you have just one SIM card, it might be slightly easier because you might have, for example, the eject tool, and you can poke it from the other side. As you can see here, we have these three holes, so we can use one and just push it from that side, and it comes out really easily. Of course, you don't necessarily have to use the eject tool in order to remove the SIM card from the SIM tray, but it's just helpful. You can also just try to use any other method, like you can try to bend it as well a little bit or something like that. But of course, really be careful with bending the SIM tray. You don't really want to break it, of course. And once you remove your SIM cards, just put it back into the phone and slide all the way in. Make sure that the SIM tray is all the way in order to avoid causing damage to the phone. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel.